Hi, I'm Clara and today I'm going to show you what you can do with just a microphone and a loop station. To demonstrate this, we are using the MB75 Beta, a dynamic vocal microphone, and the Boss RC505 MK2 loop station. Even though it looks like a very small setup at first, you can do some pretty cool things with it. Lead vocals, backing vocals, beats, pads, atmospheres, and eventually record and arrange an entire song live. A quick technical overview. The microphone is connected to the loop station via an XLR cable. To hear yourself, you can plug headphones directly into the loop station. You can also connect a mixing console using jack cables. And now you're ready to record your voice, loop it, layer multiple tracks, and arrange them live. Why is a dynamic microphone best for using a loop station? Dynamic microphones usually have quite narrow polar patterns. This means they primarily pick up what is happening close to the mic. This is especially important when looping, because everything I record will be repeated later. The more bleed or background noise I pick up, the muddier or noisier my loop becomes. Have you ever worked with a loop station before? What were your experiences like? Let us know in the comments.